Carrie Cordero is now joining our panel. And Carrie, we were just talking with Jamie Raskin, who's of course a constitutional lawyer, about this. But what is your assessment of what the president was trying to claim right there? He's saying, well, I'm not threatening them with death, but what they did was traitorous and they could get into trouble for it. Is there any there?
No, I don't think so with respect to the allegations that he's making. But let me try to unpack a little bit the difference between the legal piece here and the policy piece here as it relates to national security. So on the law, what the members said in their video is correct as a matter of law. Members of the military, members of the intelligence community apparatus are permitted to not follow an illegal order. At the same time, with respect to the postings that the president put out alleging that the members of Congress who posted this video have in some way violated the law, that is incorrect. I don't see anything in their statement that violates the law, whether it's seditious conspiracy or anything else that he might be alleging. So those are the two pieces that are clear on the law. As a policy matter, from a national security perspective, the statements that the president then put out have created an environment that obviously we had in the lead in there that contribute to the politicization of the military and national security community and the overall polarization and threatening environment that lawmakers face. All of that said, as a national security policy matter, I do question why these members put out this video, because if it was intended on the merits to give guidance to members of the military, the national security community, it is actually much more of a nuanced issue as to how those members of the military or the intelligence community would actually be able to not follow a particular order. There are examples of things that might be completely obvious: targeting civilians, engaging in torture, falsifying records. But the members of Congress in their video didn't articulate in any clear way what type of guidance they were actually giving to the workforce that they appear to be directing their message at. So I think it's a little more complicated and nuanced with respect to the message they were actually trying to convey.
And certainly